7 to the power root x is equal to 343 to the power x. We need to find the value of x. This we can factorize 7 into 7 into 7. It will be 343. This can be written as 7 to the power 3 to the power x. 7 to the power 3x. This conversion is basis on the law a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. In this law it is given m into n, likewise it will be 3 into x. Bases are same, so the power will be same. Now squaring both sides, root x square will be square and this will be 9x square. X will take a common, either x is equal to 0 or this one minus x is equal to 0. So this will be give us one value x is equal to 0 and this will minus 9x is equal to minus 1. So x will be 1 upon 9. So these are the answers. My dear student, for short tricks of these kind of the question, you can visit my Instagram maths base maker.